What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode I'm at a metal festival at Noisy Chili in Phnom Penh. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without seeing me. People eat food, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, I am out here at Noisy Chili. It's the Slam City Metal Festival. It's been happening all day today from about 2 p.m. all the way till 10 p.m. It's only like 5 o'clock now, so we're halfway through. Here's the poster. And there's merch and the front table right here. Let's go see. This is where you pay when you walk in. And they've got merch all along here. So it's $15 for a one-day pass or $25 if you're gonna check out both days. And they let me know if you buy a one-day pass but then you show up the second day, you can still get the value of a two-day pass. So let's go by and check out the t-shirts they've got over here.
Thank you for coming from Slam City.
They sell patches and t-shirts and CDs and pins. And Noisy Chili, where we are right now, they do craft beers. They've got some really good ones. My favorite one is the ginger beer. And the way they're working it at this festival is you have to buy beer tickets and then you exchange those for beers. And it's $1.25 for one ticket, but it costs 2 tickets to get a beer. So it's about $2.50 every beer, which is really cheap for a craft beer. That's a good price. Alright, let's go check out this heavy metal band. They've got a curtain up here. Alright, so now a few hours has gone by and it's the nighttime now. The festival's still going for another like 2.5 hours. So let's head in there. I think there's a band setting up. Let's go check it out. Alright, now we're outside in the front. Let's go see what's going on out here.
Welcome to
Noisy Chili!
go inside.
Yeah. Rock and roll! I think it's time to get some more drink tickets. And there's food too.
Y'all feeling good? Fuck yeah. Well, here's a slow one for you. To melt in the fucking heat. This is pain.
Alright, there's another band going on. It's all female metal band. Let's go check it out. Yeah, this is a pretty special event because a big heavy metal festival like this, it only happens like once or twice a year in Cambodia. Well, that was the Slam City Metal Festival at Noisy Chili. That's going to do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
Life is tall.